everyone. This is Tamara Lankowski from HealthyTreatsMarket.com, and I'm going to teach you how to make ginger detox. This drink cleans your gut, and it's something everybody needs to live on forever, okay? What it is it's water, ginger, turmeric, lemon juice, apple cider vinegar. So, first what I did, the produce people, Penzine Produce in the Davidson Farmers Market, give you a bag like this that's full of ginger and turmeric. Craig, can I have a bag of Sweetie, honey? So what I did is I took that bag, I washed them, and I didn't peel them or anything like that. I just cut them as thin as possible, okay? Don't blend them. They do not taste good, mark my words. Cut them as thin as you can like this, and you're gonna put them in a pot that's about this big, okay? Because you wanna fill 10 quarts of water in here. So that's what you wanna do, okay guys? So I'm gonna move this over. After you boil it, you let it simmer, okay? So what I do is I boil it, I let it, and then once it boils, I will keep it on a very low boil, a simmer, for a few hours. And then when that's done, I let it steep overnight. So during the evening, this is what you do, is you make the ginger and the turmeric in the water, and you let it steep overnight. It gets this dark, okay? Then what you do in the morning, what I do, once it's steeped, I put 2 cups of lemon juice. Now you'll see this is gonna change the color. I'm sorry, I think your recipe calls for 1 cup lemon juice, half a cup apple cider. This is a double recipe. Okay, so you're gonna do 1 cup lemon juice, half a cup apple cider, and 1 cup of Sweetie. But like I said, I make a double recipe, so I put a little bit more. And you see how the color's different? And I'm telling you, this stuff is so good. It's really strong, okay? Now it looks like this. So again, 1 cup lemon juice, half a cup apple cider vinegar, and 1 cup Sweetie is what you put, because I made a double batch here. Then all I do is I take something to mix it really good. And this stays good in the fridge forever, guys. There's nothing in it that's gonna go bad, okay? This will clean your gut. If you have bathroom issues, this will help you go to the bathroom. If you have any kind of disease, anything, Lyme disease, heart disease, cancer, anything, you want to be living on this, guys. This is something you just need to make and have a staple at your house. And you want to be drinking at least 1 cup to 12 ounces every day. Okay, thank you so much for watching. We're in the Davidson Farmers Market every Tuesday, Thursday, Saturday from 9 to 5. Like our Healthy Treats Market Facebook page. Join our Healthy Treats Market support group. Subscribe to our Healthy Treats Market YouTube channel so you can see more videos like this. And if you don't live nearby, visit HealthyTreatsMarket.com. Thanks for watching. See you later.